To create more realistic and appealing animations you need to follow. The 12 Principles of Animation, Part 3. In this figure, we can see 12 principles of animation. Principles of animation play a significant role to make perfect animation. In previous videos in Part 1 and Part 2, we had already discussed about 8 principles of animation. Now we talk about rest 4 principles. They are timing, exaggeration, solid drawing, appeal. Timing in animation refers to the number of frames between two poses. More frames between poses gives the viewer a slow and smooth action, while fewer frames gives the viewer a faster and crisper action. A mixture of both slow and fast timing within a scene gives texture and interest to the movement. It describes how long a process takes from start to finish. Timing is used in animation to produce motion that adheres to physics rules and adds interest. Emotion, scaling attributes, and weight can all be used to implement timing. In this example, we may understand how the principle of timing play a vital role in animation. In this figure, we can see the number of drawings or frames that complete a given action. It determines the speed of the action. In simple terms, if there are more drawings between two poses, the action will be slow and smooth, but fewer drawings make the action fast. The below image will help you understand this better. Exaggeration, its 10th principle of animation. It refers to the act of overstating or representing something as more extreme or dramatic than it actually is. It can be intentional or unintentional, often used as a linguistic device or figure of speech to evoke strong feelings or create a lasting impression. This figure is an example of exaggeration. It is something that naturally occurs as a result of being a human being with emotions. Everybody exaggerates in different ways and for different reasons. Solid drawing refers to the ability to render a three-dimensional character in two-dimensional space while conveying weight, depth, and balance. Solid drawing remains essential for creating convincing animations. Traditional animators must be adept at drawing characters from various angles to ensure their animations appear realistic and well-constructed. While computer animators may not require the same level of designer, understanding what constitutes a good drawing can still enhance their work. There are some common examples of solid drawing, also known as construction drawing. Insists that the base of the character should be established before getting to all of the fun stuff. In 12 Basic Principle of Animation, the of appeal refers to creating characters, objects, and scenes that are visually engaging and interesting to the audience. This principle is about ensuring that the design and personality of the characters are captivating and relatable, making them more enjoyable. So this is all about the principles of animation. I hope you enjoy the video. You will create more realistic animation. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.